Most insurance agents aren't failing at marketing. They have an operations problem. You're spending all day answering calls, chasing follow ups, and updating the CRM, while other agencies are building visibility online and winning the clients you should be getting. And here's the crazy part: one agency using the C Safe Smart system grew their social reach from 2,090 to 27,483 people in just 90 days using only Facebook and Instagram. Today, I'm showing you why most agents are using AI completely wrong and how to use it in just 10 minutes a day to reclaim your time, stay visible online so your agency can finally get more quotes while you sleep. I was managing a 30-person plus team while trying to juggle sales, service, operations, and marketing. And I remember realizing just one night that I had spent the entire day reacting: phone calls, team questions, client requests. But the one thing I knew that actually was going to grow my business was marketing. It never happened. And it's not because I didn't care, it's because the business consumed all my mental bandwidth. And that's when I kind of realized AI is most useful when it removes operational friction, so you finally have time to focus on growth again. So let me show you the first AI workflow every insurance agency should implement today, because this one alone can recover missed opportunities and sales before the day is over. And honestly, pay close attention to skill number 3, because this is the exact shift that helped me stop feeling buried in operations all day and finally create consistent time for visibility and to increase my revenue. Now, this first one is the fastest win on the list. There's no setup, no learning curve, nothing to configure, and you can do this in the next 5 minutes and it'll work today. So, it's also the leak that costs agents the most money without them even realizing it. In a service business, a missed call is almost always a missed sale. And not an exaggeration. People don't wait around. They call the next agent on the list and they're gone before you even notice that you missed it. And honestly, this isn't a phone problem. It's a response speed problem. And you can fix it right now. I want you to open ChatGPT and I want you to paste in this prompt. Write a short text I can send when I miss a call. I run an insurance agency. Make it friendly, simple, and helpful. Ask how I can help. Just read what it gives you. You might have to adjust a word or two if needed, and then I want you to save it as a shortcut on your phone so you can send it in 3 seconds anytime you miss a call. That's the whole fix. I mean, it's pretty simple, right? But here's why it works. You responded when you couldn't answer, and most agents never do that. They miss the call, they hope the person calls back, and they don't. And you just did something different, and that matters. Most insurance agents are not bad at follow-up. They're overloaded. One agent told me, I have a list so long of stuff to do, I can't even remember. And y'all, that's a real issue. I mean, there's renewal reminders, there's quote follow-ups, cross-sell opportunities, and everything starts living inside our brains. And eventually, things are going to fall through the cracks. But that's where AI becomes useful. It's not by replacing relationship building. It's by helping you consistently remember the relationship exists. Here's the exact workflow. The sales call happens on Zoom or Teams, and these softwares will automatically can create a transcript. And that transcript gets loaded into your AI of choice. Now, you can extract personal details if you like before taking your transcript and using this prompt, so just adjust it appropriately. But go ahead, take your transcript and paste this. Review this insurance sales call like an assistant helping an insurance agency owner. I want you to create clean CRM notes in plain English. Extract the prospect's name, business, or family situation, current carrier, renewal dates, their pain points, objections, quoted products, concerns, cross-sell opportunities, next steps, and follow-up tasks. Then create a short summary the sales team can quickly review before the next call. The AI is going to read the entire conversation and turn it into organized CRM notes in just seconds. Now, instead of starting at a giant paragraph of messy notes and trying to remember everything that just happened, you instantly know what are the needs? What are the concerns? What are the next steps? What products did you quote? And your CRM actually gets updated consistently instead of living on sticky notes or inside of your head. And that's a real win because it means it's less time in the weeds. And every hour you stop spending in buried admin work is an hour you can finally spend growing visibility, improving follow-up, and building your trust online. And that's how AI creates marketing time. And here's what shocked most of the agents I shared this with. Their CRM finally started getting updated consistently. No longer was it, I'll do it later. No longer were there sticky notes all over the monitors and desk. And it wasn't just random memory, it's actual organized client data that everyone on the team could use. And that alone improved follow-up speed and retention because conversations stopped disappearing after that call ended. Now, if this is helpful, go ahead and hit subscribe because I'm building this channel for insurance agents who want to grow locally without hiring a giant marketing agency. And now let's talk about where your best marketing ideas are already hiding. You see, agents do not have a content problem. They have a clarity problem. They know they should market more, but when it's finally time to post, their brain is already exhausted from the day. So what happens? They either post something generic, they overthink it, or they just don't post at all. And that's why consistency disappears. But your customers already told you exactly what content to make. And this is where the C and the SAFE stages connect from the C, SAFE, SMART framework. See, people consistently seeing your agency online, and SAFE, content that makes people feel understood before they ever call you. In 90 days, a single agency client grew their social reach from 2,090 to 27,483 people using this framework just on Facebook and Instagram alone. So pull 5 recent customer emails or messages, strip out the private details, and paste it into ChatGPT and ask this: what questions, fears, or confusions keep showing up? Then you're going to turn that into content, and that's what you post. And that's the real stuff that clients actually care about. It's things like, why did my rates go up? Is this covered? How fast can you help? That's what makes you the local agent everyone wants to work with in seconds. If you're not being seen, then people are going to forget about you. And that's exactly what consistent content fixes. It's not becoming an influencer. It's just staying visible enough that when someone finally needs insurance, you're the name that they actually remember. So let's turn your day into marketing because you don't have a content problem. You actually have a capture problem. And every day you're walking someone through a claim, explaining why a rate change or helping a client understand what they're actually covered for. That's exactly what people search for online. But you finish the call, you move on, and it's gone. So here's the fix. At the end of each day, just spend a couple minutes, 2 minutes, writing 3 things. I want you to say what happened, the problem that you solved, and what you wish customers should know. I want you to take that and paste it into ChatGPT and say, turn these notes into 1 Facebook post, 1 Google business profile post, a LinkedIn post. Make it helpful, local, easy to understand. Don't make it sound like an ad. One agency used this exact process, and they went from inconsistent random posting to publishing 153 local trust building posts in 90 days. Not hiring an expensive marketing team, not by becoming influencers, but by following a simple, repeatable system. And that's the real goal. It's not doing AI. It's building a marketing system that keeps your agency visible and trusted consistently with your current team. And that's actually what led me to build the copy-paste, quote, and retain operating system. Because most agents, y'all don't need more information. You just need a simple, repeatable system that actually is going to get used. And here's what most people actually get wrong about this AI stuff. AI doesn't fix bad systems. It just makes them faster. So slow follow-up stays slow. Confusing marketing still confuses people. And every day those problems go unfixed. Someone else is getting the client. And it's not because they're better insurance. It's because they replied faster, they looked more trustworthy online, and they made it easy for people to make the next step with them. That's the gap. But the good news, fixing it doesn't take a huge team or a budget. It just takes a few simple habits and checklists, 10 minutes to start today. And those 5 skills work because they fix the spots where buyers are already losing trust in you. So fix those first. And most insurance agents know marketing matters. The problem is operations eat up so much time that marketing gets pushed aside. That's what AI solves. It's not by replacing people, but by giving you the time to stay visible, follow up consistently, and become the obvious choice in your community. Remember, people need to see you. Your brand, your agency needs to feel safe, and your systems need to run smart. If you want to grow your agency without being stuck in daily operations, subscribe to the channel and watch this video next so you can avoid the marketing mistakes holding your agency back.